today is in a high temperature, right?
Yes, I agree with you.
Let's drink some water.
Okay.
Oh, I can't open it.
Are you serious? I can't believe it. Why can't you open it?
Can you help me, please?
Okay. A piece of...
See?
Cake.
See, you cannot open it. So, let's take a physical test to find out why some beverages are easy to open and some are not. Lily, forget about it. Let's go.
Go, go, go.
Okay, it's physical testing time.
Wow, can't wait to see it.
So you guys may wonder, it depends on the size or the weight of the bottle. Actually, it depends on the torque, which is the force of twisting. So today we're gonna use a professional machine, torus graph, to test each of the beverage of the torque. And today we prepared 4 beverages for you to test: juice, water, Coke, and functional beverage. Okay, let's get started.
.77. 1.35. 0.97. 0.88.
So each of the beverages, the number of the torque is 0.77, 1.35, 0.97, and 0.88. So the smallest number of the torque is the juice, which is easier to open.
And that is the reason why the beverage is difficult to open, because the torque is so big.
Actually, they have to follow the standards while producing each of the products. So this time, we are going to visit 2 machinery factories. One is Key Machine Manufacture Company, which is for beverage packaging. Another one is Sea Line Machinery Company, which is for laundry machines. Let's go!
This time's live show will not only take you to visit the factory, but also take you to show the beautiful city.
If you show interest, don't forget to come to our Star Buyer live channel on July 30th, 8 p.m. Beijing time with all